Yeah, I got around 55% of hike
Okay,
with
amazing.
this,
And when did
and
you
it is good
join
number.
the?
I felt.
Yeah.
Of course, there are pros and cons. As I said, we can increase the productivity instead
Mm-hmm.
of writing the course manually and learning the things manually. You can learn it easily,
Right.
but we must know the basics of everything,
Mm-hmm.
whatever it is. If you're learning Python, we should know each and every basic concept of Python. Then we have to use the AI
Right.
because uh, AI give complete code. AI will give complete code what we require.
Mm-hmm.
But when we want to debug the code, we must know the basics.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Without basics, we cannot debug the code.
Yes, absolutely.
Of course, there are pros and cons. As I said, we can increase the productivity instead
Mm-hmm.
of writing the course manually and learning the things manually. You can learn it easily,
Right.
but we must know the basics of everything,
Mm-hmm.
whatever it is. If you're learning Python, we should know each and every basic concept of Python. Then we have to use the AI
Right.
because uh, AI give complete code. AI will give complete code what we require.
Mm-hmm.
But when we want to debug the code, we must know the basics.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Without basics, we cannot debug the code.
Yes, absolutely. So, hi, good evening, Abhijith ji. We are really very glad to have you with us here. I'm really excited to host you today. So, before getting started, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling so great as I got the new job in ABB. Uh, I'm really great as I was working in a startup earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Now I got a good product based company. So
Wonderful.
I feel it's a good achievement and feeling so good.
Amazing, wonderful.
Yeah.
So, today's conversation is not just about your achievement, it's about your story, your struggles, your mindset shift that you had with the help of the AI Career Accelerator program. So, let's get started with a brief introduction about yourselves.
Yeah, sure. Myself, Abhijith. I'm based out of Bangalore only. Earlier, I was into a startup, working in a startup company, which is called Serve Innovations Private Limited,
Mm-hmm.
which is a product-based company which compares the products from various websites, which are website products which are available in Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, many more. Even you can find the comparison of prices of various products in that particular product, which we call Supermal,
Okay.
XUPERMALL,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a very good startup. Still, it is ongoing. Uh, they're looking for to establish their own product and looking after to it.
Okay.
I was really uh, very good part of that particular product earlier, and I tried many implementations with them. And even I was using AI since 1 year. I was using only ChatGPT before I came into AI Career Accelerator program. Later, I got to know not only ChatGPT is in picture. There are many. We can use many tools like uh, Perplexity, which will be helpful for when we write something with respect to authorized, means with respect to particular author, and then Cloud AI, which will be helpful for to write the codes and review the code, and many more like Notebook AI, and so many I have used and I have come across. I got to know there are many like, and now when I come into this new job, these tools are very helpful when I plan to prepare for interview.
Okay. So, like, what was your first impression of the masterclass? Like, did it met your expectation, and what you thought it is, and what it is now? Like, what is your opinion on that?
Yeah, actually, today's AI world, and it is almost the world is moving towards AI. So I feel myself, I'm a lagging somewhere. Like, why don't we try this? Like, I just joined,
Mm-hmm.
uh, but it was really helpful, actually.
Yeah, amazing. So, like, have you got any promotion or some salary hike with the help of this switch?
Yeah, I got around 55% of hike
Okay,
with
amazing.
this,
And when did
and
you
it is good
join
number.
the?
I felt.
Yeah, and when did you join the AI Career Accelerator program?
Uh, AI career. I'm not sure about the date exactly.
Any
It's been
tentative
almost
one?
6 months, I think.
Okay, okay. So within 6 months, you have got a 55% of salary hike with you, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, amazing. So,
Yeah, it's been. Yeah,
yeah, please continue.
that's what. It's been around 6 months.
Okay,
Not
okay.
exactly 6 months. I'm going to say.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
like, when did you feel confident to, switch a job that you have a good AI knowledge now, and now you can, give it a try, or you can switch a job? When did you felt so?
So, well, uh, we lose our confidence when we got stuck somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
So AI can release us when we got stuck. AI will be helpful in some extent,
Mm-hmm.
and we can breathe easily when we come out of the particular stuck.
Mm-hmm.
So that at the time, instead of we have to ask someone who is my senior, or we have to, as I said earlier, we have to go through some many blogs or websites.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of going through all this, when we know the things, when we know the AI tools for which one we have to use, for which issue, which one we should use, when we know all these things, so that we can easily search and find the results, and we can move further.
Amazing.
That's what I felt.
Right. So, how this journey, this AI Career Accelerator journey, has changed you as a person? Like, what changes you have seen in you as a person?
As a person, my confidence got increased,
Okay.
so that uh, that's what required for every human being who wants to work and who wants to achieve something. Confidence is important,
Right.
so that it's got increased because of a career accelerator.
Mm-hmm.
That's enough, I think.
Yes.
Confidence is enough to do something or to achieve something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, like, what is your opinion? You have also worked in a traditional working environment, and you have also worked in an AI related working environment. So, what is your opinion? Like, how helpful is the AI working environment, and what are the pros and cons of the, both of the parts?
Of course, there are pros and cons. As I said, we can increase the productivity instead
Mm-hmm.
of writing the course manually and learning the things manually. You can learn it easily,
Right.
uh, but we must know the basics of everything,
Mm-hmm.
whatever it is. If we're learning Python, we should know each and every basic concept of Python. Then we have to use the AI,
Right.
because uh, AI give complete code. AI will give complete code what we require.
Mm-hmm.
But when we want to debug the code, we must know the basics.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Without basics, we cannot debug the code.
Yes, absolutely
AI,
amazing.
yeah.
And like, what is that one advice that you would like to give to your peer learners or someone who is considering this AI Career Accelerator program?
Uh, Use AI effectively
Mm-hmm.
and must know the basics.
Mm-hmm.
Without basics, don't believe just an AI will help you.
Okay.
You should have the basics, and you should use the AI properly. you will achieve whatever you require.
Amazing, yes.
That's
And would you like to share any example where you actually used AI in your day-to-day, work activities, and you have got the impact then and there itself?
Yeah, there are many. There are many. As I said, many times I got stuck. I have
Mhm.
used the AI
Yes.
and I got released out of it. The
Okay.
many times, not only one or two times. Every day. After I joined with this program, and even before that, I was using only ChatGPT.
Mhm.
ChatGPT was giving when I got to know the cloud is better than ChatGPT when the coding is required.
Acha.
I started using cloud as well. So
Okay.
cloud is very helpful,
Mhm.
and the cloud was I really unknown that cloud is in market when you are introducing that.
Mhm.
So I started using cloud for coding. So that cloud was very excellent for coding.
Amazing, amazing. So that was, really very inspiring story, Mr. Abhijit, and we congratulate you on your achievement. It was really very nice knowing your story, and we wish you all the very best for your future goals. So thank you so much for joining the call.
Yeah, thank you, Anushka. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.